Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bong Food Priyoshi. Today we are going to prepare Chana Masala. (400 grams of Kabuli Chana), red chilies, tamarind pulp or তেঁতুল গোলা জল, chopped onions, tomato puree, 50 grams of ginger garlic paste, Here I have added half teaspoon tea leaf on water. This will give us good color for our recipe. Add baking soda, tea water on Kabuli Chana and give it little mix. Now cover it and wait for 7 to 8 whistles. Friends, now add 4 teaspoon mustard oil on a pan. Two bay leaves. Add chopped onion, one teaspoon sugar, add ginger garlic paste, tomato puree, add salt according to your taste, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, Now add half teaspoon garam masala. Cover it for 5 minutes. Now add boiled chanas. Now add chopped red chilies. Now add 2 teaspoon tamarind pulp or add according to your taste. The last spice of the list is 2 teaspoon Chana Masala. Add a cup of water and boil for 2 minutes. Now our recipe is ready to serve. Here I serve with chicken keema and butter naan. Wait for our next video, chicken keema coming soon.